hours away from Albert and his friends. So, what do you want to do today, Luigi? We'll have a party. Who will we invite? Bernard, Superman, my brother, Spotty, Blue Tiger, and that's all. Okay. When's the party? At 3. It's 1:59. We have like an hour. Wait. Ah! Shh. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah. Pop, can you hear me? Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, that's just a pillow. How did that hurt? It didn't. Okay. Well, we should go gather around the friends. Friends are coming to the party. So everyone's here. No, someone's missing. Who? Me! I'm missing. I'm Superman. You invited me to the party, remember? Oh yeah, I did. Well, what do we do? I guess we could dance. What are we gonna dance to? I think Spotty can sing. Yeah, I can sing. Da 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 da. I'm gonna go infect them with a virus. And they're all gonna get sick. We gotta be sneaky. Shh! Ow! Something just bit me. Do you know what it was? Whose turn is it? Bernard just got bit. But we don't know what. I think I'm getting sick. I'm a doctor. You're a plumber. I don't care. Just open your mouth. Can I feel the inside of your mouth with my bare hand? It's not weird or anything. I'm just curious. Mario, what are you? I think everyone's sick now. Yeah, I think we should call the party off. Yeah, me too. I bit everyone. Oh no, is it a virus? Yeah, you guys, you got bitten. Now you all have a virus.